my channel! We're going to a waterfall! Hi! We're going to... Here, can you hold this? And can you close it?
Ano, parang nagdadrive tayo sa...
Yeah, maalat daw.
Anat.
Kuya Luke said Anat Falls. But it's Anat, not Alat. It's a waterfall. But it's so cold. Don't you, Mama? I'm with Mommy, but it's so cold. Cold. The river isn't so much cold. The waterfall is cold. The river isn't so much cold. Eunie's with Mommy. Hi! What ako ni Daddy? We're going back to the car. Funny Ate Gail. I'm with Ate Liz. No, I'm with Ate Kalia. See? I'm with Ate Kalia. Whoa. Are we gonna go through there? That's scary. What a car. Wow. Careful there. That's why I'm scared of there. Scared of mountains with holes like that. So many mountains. Many mountains. We're on a hanging bridge. We can see the river. We're going. There's a car. There's some cars down there on the riverside. Hi! We're here at the hanging bridge. Kuya, look, it's running! We're on the river now. We're swimming on the river. Kuya Luke is being naughty. Naughty, Kuya Luke. We're playing frisbee there. Me, Ate Kalia, and Kuya Luke are playing frisbee while Ate Liz and Eunie are playing Eunie's frisbee. This is our room in Adams. Let's take a tour. There's some fish. We're feeding the fish. Some flowers in daytime are closing. The flowers that is on the water with the fish open at night and close at daytime. This is our cousin's cottage. All of us. Oh, we're going to the mountain. The very tall mountain. Wait, I remember that we were going to the windmills there. Whoa, we're going so fast. We weren't fast there, we were slow, but then it got fast forwarded. Brrr. the sand of the sea is sticks, stones. I don't like that sea because sand is not like the normal sea. We might fall, but it's okay. There's a railing. We're going to run to the windmills. Kuya Luke was running. And then Kuya Luke had a stick. And then we started to draw on the sand using the stick in our hands. The sea is pretty. We're walking up the mountain going to the lighthouse. The stairs of the lighthouse is tall. Oh, it's tall. We have to go all the way up there. Look at Kuya, look, he's going up so fast. We're on the top now. There are so many rooms. We're going into the rooms. Ooh, there's an open door. There's a bed there, one bed. Whoa! It's so windy there. When the wind was so strong, I was almost moving away. I was going backwards and backwards, but Mommy stopped me. The wind was so strong, I was moving away. Wow, the lighthouse is so tall. I want to go way up there. Kuya Luke is going down so quickly. Kuya Luke has some food. Kuya Luke was waving on the camera. I was going down with Daddy. Go down. Thank you for watching. Remember, subscribe. Bye. Bye.